If basic restarts and updates haven't resolved the MyRogers app issues, here are some advanced fixes to try. First, try clearing the app's cache and data. On Android devices, go to Settings, then Apps, find MyRogers, tap Storage, and select Clear Cache or Clear Data. For iPhone users, since there's no direct cache clearing option, delete the app and reinstall it from the App Store. This will clear any corrupted data. Next, check your app permissions in device settings. Ensure MyRogers has access to location, storage, and notifications for full functionality. If issues persist, try resetting your network settings. This clears Wi-Fi passwords and cellular settings, which can resolve connectivity problems. If you're still facing issues after trying these steps, contact Rogers support. Use the in-app chat or call 1-800-ROGERS-1 and provide your device model and error logs. Remember, 75% of issues are resolved through basic restarts or updates, so these advanced steps are crucial before escalating.